I'm going to show you how to take completely ruined black and white picture like this, remove the scratches, and turn it into a high-quality colorized photo using free AI tools. No Photoshop required. Let's get into it. First, we need to fix the physical damage. Head over to hotpot.ai. Upload your old photo, check the scratch removal option, and hit restore. Just look at that. The AI automatically blends out the cracks and scratches in seconds. Now that the photo is clean, let's bring it to life. Go to palette.fm. This free AI tool analyzes everything in your photo, skin tones, clothing, background, and then applies realistic colors automatically. You can even test different color profiles until it looks exactly the way you want. Now, for that final modern touch, we need to sharpen the image. Use a free AI enhancer to increase the resolution so the photo looks like it was taken with a modern camera. And just like that, we've transformed a ruined memory into a masterpiece. If you want to discover more hidden AI tools that can save you time and money, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below if this worked for you, and I'll see you in the next video.